Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Yet another very important video, and you need to watch the complete video, okay? Now, if you want to feel comfortable with the topic of profit and loss, especially some very common types of questions which are asked in competitive exams, you need to follow all the videos from the beginning, okay? So I've already posted around 10-11 videos of profit and loss, and if you are watching all of them in series, you will understand how easy the topic becomes when you have concept clarity and understanding of the concepts. So friends, the topic which I am going to take up for this is finding the net profit percentage in case an item is sold multiple times. Like first of all, A sold it to B at 15% profit, or B sold it to C at some loss, and then you have to find a net percentage profit or loss. Okay. The cost price is normally not given in this question. The final selling price is not given in the question, but still you can find this, the net profit percent or the net loss percent in case of the item being sold multiple times. This concept happens to be from chapter number 2 of our ebook of short tricks, and it is available in the book form also in volume 2. This is chapter 2 in volume 2, and the chapter is entitled Short Tricks for Profit and Loss. So if you want to get the e-version of our books, then you can send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963. These e-books and some video courses, they are also contained in our Learning Loop app, which is available on the Google Play Store. All the links, important links, are given in the description of this video as well. So before getting into the questions part, we need to understand the concept, right? So to understand the concept, let's first understand that this is person X who is selling it to Y at some profit percent or loss percent. It can be anything, okay? And Y sells it to Z at some maybe profit percent or loss percent. Now there is a convention used here. If it is profit percent, then we normally take it as positive, and obviously if it is loss percent, we normally take it as negative. Now this is the normal convention we are going to use in the question. So if I assume that this profit percent is suppose A, and this profit percent or loss percent, whatever, is say B, then the net profit or loss percent, this is profit or loss percent, is given by X plus, I am taking X but I assume that as A, right? So I'll write A here. A, this one, plus B, this one, plus AB upon 100. Very simple trick, and I tell you, this trick is used in so many different concepts in mathematics. You know, when you have to find the increase in area of a rectangle, when the length and width are increasing or decreasing by a particular percentage, the same concept can be used in profit and loss also. And please remember this rule: profit percent is positive, loss percent is always negative. So if A or B, any one of them or both of them are negative, that means resulting in a loss, you have to take them as negative, right? So sum of these two plus product upon 100. That's what we need to do. A very simple trick. Let's apply it to solve some questions. Look at the first question here. In this case, we have A selling a washing machine to B at a profit of 20%. So this value 20% becomes A, and B sells it to C at a profit of 5%. So this is B, and profit. That means we don't need to bother about the negative signs. Positive. So it has to be profit percent only. Find the net percentage profit. So to find the net percentage profit, what are we going to do? This is 20 plus this is 5 plus, just multiply the two, 20 into 5 and divide by 100. And very easy calculation here. We get 25 plus this is 20 into 500, 100 cancels 100, so this is 1, and so 26% is the net percentage profit. Can you solve that orally now? I think you will be able to do it, right? Now, one more question like this, and then we will take the case of loss also. Here, A is selling a refrigerator to B at a profit of 15%, so this is A. B sells it to C at a profit of 20%, so this is B. And again we can do the same thing. Net profit percent is, this is 15 plus this is 20 plus the product of the two, 15 into 20 divided by 100. So this gives me 35 plus 20 into 15 is 300, right? And 300 divided by 100 is 3. And that gives us 38%, which is the net profit percent. Now you can have a look at these two questions, and I don't think there should be any problem in solving these questions. Let's see what happens if there is a loss. Here you can see A is selling a fan to B at a profit of 15%, so A, profit means positive. B sells it to C at a loss of 8%, so B is negative 8%. Now this is important, loss. So we need to find the net percentage profit. See, net percent, I have written here net percentage profit. So it is net percentage profit only. But in case your final answer comes out to be negative, it results in net percentage loss. So sign conventions are very easy here. Let's see, net percentage profit. Profit of 15%, so A is 15. Loss of 8%, so B is negative 8. So negative 8 and then plus 15 times negative 8 upon 100. See, I have just taken B as negative. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and then minus 15 8s are 120 divided by 100 is 1.2, and you get 5.8% profit. See, my net answer, the final answer is positive, and therefore it is net percentage profit. Sometimes this will come out to be negative, so you need to understand that there is net percentage loss. Another one here, net percentage profit. Profit of 8%, so A. Loss of 12%, so this is B. And finally, we have the formula. A is 8%, so 8 minus, so this is loss of 12%, so minus 12, and then 8 times negative 12 upon 100. Now how much is this? You can check now what happens here. This will come out to be negative 4, and then plus minus minus 12 8s are 96. 96 upon 100 is 0.96, and see, the final answer here is negative, and so negative 4.96% means it is not profit, it is loss. Net percentage loss is 4.96%. So ignore the negative and write it as net percentage loss. This is how understanding plays a role, and this is how you crack the questions easily in the quant exams. So friends, if you're liking all these videos, do give it a share, and don't forget to give it a like and hype the video, so that when you give some points to the video, it is more likely to come in the feed of other aspirants also. Do subscribe our YouTube channel Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts, and do not forget to click the bell shaped icon so that you keep on getting all the notifications of future uploads on this amazing channel. 30-40 questions practice and you are through. All the best for the practice part.